Growing your following by interacting with your followers. Your followers are another powerful and viral source you can use to find more Snapchat friends. Snapchat is all about telling stories and building relationships. That means Snapchat is a great place to connect with your customers on a personal level. Snapchat pictures are real. This humanizes your brand, and they can see your human side to help create customer loyalty and trust. Interaction with your followers shows you are both personable and real. You have to care about those interested in your company and take the time to acknowledge them. Many people scroll through Snapchat. They can easily come across your story and find that what you're doing is interesting, so you have to create interactive and proactive content. People are naturally curious, and you want your potential followers to do more than just look at your snaps and videos. You want them to respond, because that's the first step in a relationship. You need to encourage interaction with your followers and respond to them when they reach out to you. First, you need to create a dialogue between your brand and the shopper. Ask them. A good way to encourage interaction is to ask them to send you photos, videos, or stories on a topic. For example, if you are a cake brand, ask your followers to show you what types of cakes they love. If your brand is an animal shelter, ask them to show you their favorite animal. Reply. Reply to all the snaps you receive from your followers, all their questions, all the things they want to share with you, etc. Because if someone sends you a snap, it means they are interested in you. React. You can show your followers how important they are to you by reacting to their snaps. Spend some time looking at your followers' stories and send them instant messages like emoticons or your opinion, just to let them know that you are aware of them. Snap every day. Snap every day, but don't snap everything you have. Think about the message you are sending. Make it effective. Snap something informational or helpful. By interacting with your followers, you'll be winning. Share your brand. Share the process of your brand creation with your Snapchat friends. Snap before and after pictures to make them come back for more. When you build a relationship with them, they will convert into loyal customers. These loyal customers will become brand advocates and share your product with their Snapchat followers. Offer special deals. One of the most powerful techniques for growing your Snapchat audience is to offer special deals and discounts like coupons or promotions just for one day. This type of snap will create a sense of urgency, and you'll encourage your followers to take action on the offer quickly. Seth Godin is a best-selling author that once said, "People don't buy goods and services. They buy relations, stories, and magic."